Good morning class. In this video I will continue line wise explanation of the chapter Typhoid surgery, and the line starts from here. In 2 weeks he had been transformed into a lithe, hard muscled animal. Dr. Harriet had gone to the veterinary hospital to take Tricky to give Mrs. Pumphrey, because Mrs. Pumphrey had come outside of the veterinary hospital, and when he looked at the Tricky, within 2 weeks he saw many changes in the appearance of Tricky. Tricky was very dull, inactive. Now within 2 weeks he transformed means changed into active. Lithe means active, hard muscled animal. First his muscles were very flexible, but now due to the very hard exercise his muscles had become very hard. So now he became very active and he became a hard muscled animal. These changes came in the appearance of Tricky within 2 weeks, which he had spent in the veterinary hospital. He was keeping up well with the pack. Pack means here group of the dogs. Tricky was spending most of his time with the other hunting dogs of the veterinary hospital. He used to run with them, he used to play with them, stretching out in great bounds, and he used to jump long jumps with the hunting dogs in the veterinary hospital. When he used to run, his chest used to rub to the ground of the hospital because he was fat. But he was fat, now he was active. He was not at all dull because he used to take plenty of exercise with the other dogs of the hospital. I carried him back along the passage to the front of the house. Dr. Harriet took the Tricky in his lap, and passing through the passage of the hospital, he came to the front of the house where Mrs. Pumphrey was waiting for Tricky with her driver. The chauffeur means driver, was still holding the car door open. Even now, the driver of Mrs. Pumphrey was still holding the car door open, and Mrs. Pumphrey was waiting to see the Tricky very eagerly. When Tricky saw his mistress, he took off from my arms in a tremendous leap and sailed into Mrs. Pumphrey's lap. Dr. Harriet was surprised because when Tricky saw his mistress, who was standing near the car, he jumped from the lap of Dr. Harriet over Mrs. Pumphrey. And seeing the love of Tricky for Mrs. Pumphrey, Dr. Harriet was surprised. She gave a startled ooh, and when Mrs. Pumphrey got Tricky in her lap, she was also startled. Startled means surprised, and she pronounced a word ooh with great surprise and fear, and then had to defend herself as he swarmed over her. When Tricky jumped over Mrs. Pumphrey had to defend herself, had to protect herself from Tricky. And after that, Tricky started licking. Licking means swooping the face of Mrs. Pumphrey with her tongue. And he started barking at Mrs. Pumphrey because he was angry, because Mrs. Pumphrey had not come to meet him for a long time. So by touching the face of Mrs. Pumphrey with the tongue, by barking at her, he was showing his anger towards the mistress. During the excitement, I helped the chauffeur to bring out the beds. toys, cushions, coats, and bowls, none of which had been used. And the Dr. Harriet was much excited to see this change in Tricky, and he was very happy also. And due to the excitement, Dr. Harriet started helping the driver of Mrs. Pumphrey to take out bed, toys, coats, bowls, which had been given by Mrs. Pumphrey and the servants of Mrs. Pumphrey when Dr. Harriet had brought Tricky from the house of Mrs. Pumphrey, none of which had been used. Dr. Harriet informed Mrs. Pumphrey that he did not use any of these things for Tricky. As the car moved away, when Mrs. Pumphrey sat in the inside of the car with the Tricky, then the driver of Mrs. Pumphrey started moving her car. Mrs. Pumphrey leaned out of the window. When the car was about to start, then Mrs. Pumphrey took out her head through the window. Tears shone in her eyes. She was very emotional and overwhelmed. Her lips trembled, her lips were shivering, and she was very happy and very excited, very emotional. And she said, "Oh, Mr. Harriet," she cried, "how can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery." With a great emotion and excitement, she thanked Dr. Harriet, and she also said that I cannot thank you for what you have done for Tricky and me. It is the success of your treatment. You had treated the Tricky well. That's why now Tricky is recovered and out of danger.